this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arclight camo here on the M10 Breacher in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and head into the gunsmith for your weapon. And go into the customize tab and into this camo section right here, specifically into the multiplayer tab. And this is where you're going to find all of the camos that you need to go ahead and complete in order to end up getting this Arclight camo. Now there is quite a bit of prerequisites. First things first, you do need to get shattered gold here on the M10 Breacher. I do have a full guide breaking down the step-by-step process that you can use to unlock this, including all the military camos and the special camos as well. I highly recommend checking that out if you want to get shattered gold here on the M10 Breacher as quickly as possible. But on top of getting shattered gold here on the M10 Breacher, you are also going to have to get it on 3 shotguns. Now, as of right now, there is only 3 shotguns in the game. In the future, there probably will be more, so keep that in mind. You only have to get shattered gold on 3. After getting shattered gold on 3 shotguns, you can move on to the Arclight challenge, which is 10 double kills or better with the M10 Breacher. This is super duper easy to do. The best strategy for doing this though is playing objective-based game modes like Hardpoint. Now, I highly recommend Hardpoint for this instead of Domination, just because Hardpoint is a little bit more chaotic, with the Hardpoint moving around a lot more often. And if you have the opportunity to play on smaller maps, capitalize off of it, you can complete this in just one Hardpoint game on a smaller map. If you're on a bigger map, it may take 2 or 3 matches max, but overall it's just double kills. So essentially you just got to kill one person and then kill another person in quick succession after, and you'll knock this out. And you just got to do this 10 times, essentially just meaning you got to get 20 kills quickly. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.